to use variables in Swift. So a major keystone, I don't know, is to using a programming language is knowing how to use variables. You use them a lot. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So in Swift, we have some two keywords to declaring variables, var and let. So the variable declared for using var can be mutated, that is, it can be changed. A variable declared using the let cannot be mutated. It is a constant and cannot be changed. So, basic way to declaring a variable is just go var num in 23. I mean, value here. So basically, it is var slash let, and here you have a variable name equals to, and if you have some initializing value, so go like this, right? So note that we, unlike other languages, we don't have to specify the type of the variable. So for instance, in C++, you would do int num equals to 39 or some value. But in Swift, you don't have to specify what type of the variable it would be. Swift uses type inferencing and automatically finds out what the variable is going to be of type. But I can still do that for num int 23. We'll be learning about it later in this video. So just go var num 23. It just says that there is a variable num in a memory location. Set it to 23. Give it an initializing value of 23. Note that I'm later changing it to num equals to 56. This means that this variable can be mutated. So let us take an example of a constant. Let's change it to let num equals num to 78. Please note that since we are using let, this means that this value cannot be changed. So as you can see here, I'm trying to change it. Num2 equals to 78. Num2 equals to 48. I'm trying to change what num2 contains. The memory location contains. It gives me an error. Cannot assign to value. Num2 is a constant, let constant. I can change that by changing it to var, and this fixes all the problems. So you can do it. I mean, basically up to you for experimenting. Where str equals to hello world. You can go var str2, or you can change str hello world. You can change it to let str2. So this means that this is a constant. str2 cannot be changed. And so again, if I try to change it, sorry for the typo, hello world. So if I try to change it, it should pop me with an error. I mean, look, yeah, cannot find value. str2 is a let constant. So, but constants are really useful when you want to declare you want to declare something you don't want to change. For example, I can go let pi equals to 3.1415. So please note that Swift automatically tells that it is a double. So for instance, in a large program, you accidentally change it to pi equals to 3.4115. So you do it accidentally. There may be some typo, etc. Swift automatically can warn us that we're trying to change it. We are trying to change a constant. So yeah, so we cannot be mutated anyway. So in this example, I have num3 8, num4 90, and actually change it. So if I try to set num4 to num3, give me an error because num3 is 8 and we're trying to change it. Even though I have it like 90, um, even though I have it like 90, this cannot be mutated because this works because num3 and num4 are equal. So this is an edge case, I guess. So yeah, I was talking about using. You can even specify the type you're gonna have. So in C++, you have this num equal to 49. So you specify the type. But here you can always specify the type by using a colon like this and then specifying the type it's gonna have in 49, give it an initializing value 49. Similarly, I can do it like var str something to a string to hello, or var is true, and I have a boolean. Boolean is just true or false, so it's true. It's true, like that. So we'll be learning more about this int, string, and boolean. Don't get confused about. We'll be learning it in more further lessons. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Atsala Jaswal, and let's hope to meet in the next video. Thank you.